Naturally, moms want the best for their babies. That's why so many moms trust Born Free, the original BPA-free feeding system uniquely designed for babies that are breastfed, bottle-fed, or both. Only Born Free has a patented active flow technology that lets your baby naturally control the flow of milk, similar to breastfeeding, so you can switch between bottle feeding and breastfeeding with ease. The Active Flow 2-part venting system is clinically designed to reduce colic and gas. And moms of colicky babies agree, Born Free works best.
It's the miracle worker I've been looking for.
The baby sleeps more peacefully now.
The Born Free bottle is easy to hold, too, and made of safe materials free of BPA and PVC.
I recommend that parents choose a feeding system for their baby that's designed both for comfort and for health. Born Free is a world leader in this technology.
Choose the Born Free Clear Classic bottle, easy to clean glass bottle, or the stylish new Deco bottle. Born Free, natural milk flow, naturally fuss-free, naturally safe. It's no wonder so many moms have discovered the harmony of the Born Free feeding system. Born Free, nature and nurture in harmony.